Hello friends, welcome to our channel Electronics Monk. In this video we are going to learn about button interfacing with our Arduino Uno. And as I've told you in earlier video also that we will do a basic simulation first. So we'll do our simulation in this Proteus. We have opened this software. What we have to do, we just have to click on new project. In this project we'll name our project as button underscore Arduino, and then from the development board we'll have to select this development board, and here in this development board category we have to select Arduino 328, and then we have to just remember that the name of the project have to be changed. We are naming it as button underscore Arduino. We have selected Arduino 328 and we have clicked on finish our project. Now we have to do a button interfacing. Remember, in the devices there are button and there is a register also. If you want any other devices, then you can select on this P symbol icon. When you click this one, a new window will pop up and you just have to write the keywords so that you can pick the devices. Here we are not picking any new devices, so we are using this button. We have to put this button here, and what we want a power and a ground. So on this left hand side panel there is a board of a terminal board named as a terminal board. In this terminal board itself there is power and there is a ground. So first of all we need power symbol. We need to power this button, so here is this power icon. There is a ground, so we need a ground also, and we need a default pin also. Okay, why we are using this default pin? We want to connect this button to a specific pin of this Arduino. Okay, we want to connect this button to a specific input pin to this Arduino, and we can do it by this one. With the help of this, I'll show you how we can do this. Apart from that, we also need a resistor. So here it is. Now we have placed this one. If you want to change properties of any of these devices, you have to select that item first of all, and then you have to press a right click. Now there are some different options that you can do here. You can drag this object, you can edit the properties of this object, you can delete this object, you can do a rotate it clockwise, you can rotate it anti-clockwise. There are some shortcut also, you can see here. So what we have to do, we have to change the properties of this power. Go to the edit properties and write plus 5 volts. Okay, right, plus 5 volts. This is what we have to do. So now we are connecting this one with our button. We are connecting our resistor to our button. Now we are connecting all these systems. I have just zoomed my screen. Here on this default pin we change the properties and we will write IO5. Now what is this IO5 is doing? It have named this pin as IO5. On this Arduino also there is a pin IO5. This IO5 is nothing but the digital pin number 5 of an Arduino. So by naming this one as IO5, this is automatically connected to the digital pin number 5. This is the digital pin number 5 on Arduino. Okay, if we want to connect it to the analog pins, these are the analog pins like 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So we can connect, or we can name this one to anything like IO1, IO2, IO3, or if you want to use analog pin, then we can name it as 80, 81, 82, 80, anything else. Again, please take a look. We just have to select this one. Then we have to press a right click. The right click, go to the edit properties, and here in this string you have to write the value. I have written it IO5. You can write IO6, 7 or any other pin number. Okay, so now let me zoom it. So let's zoom out. Now we'll have to go into this source code. The source code, there are two functions, void setup and void root. The void setup, we have to define about the pins, that which pin is working as an input, which pin is working as an output. So we are using pin number 13 as an output. I have defined it here using semicolons. It will terminate this instruction. The next instruction is I have to use our pin number 5 as an input. Remember this thing, guys. We are taking our output on a LED, so that's why I have defined this pin number 13 as an output. We are connecting our button to this pin number 5, which is an input, so I have defined this one as input. Now I have to read the state of this button pin. So what I have to do, I just have to write it if, then starting these small brackets, digital read. Remember that in this digital read, R is in a capital letter. This programming language is case sensitive, so you have to remember that R is in capital letters. You can see here. Similarly, in pin mode, M have to be in capital letters. Remember that, guys. So digital read pin number 5 is equal to high. So if digital read pin number 5 is equal to high, then digital write pin number 13 as high. Okay, else digital write 13 comma low. Quite simple. So what we are doing, we are detecting that what is the state of this pin. If this pin is high, then what it will do, it will change the state of that LED pin and turn it into high, so our LED start to glow. Otherwise our LED will be in off state. Okay, quite simple. Now let's go to this build project and start building our project. It will take a bit of time, and now you can see that our code is compiled successfully. Going to this schematic capture and press this play button. Simulation is started, and now we'll press this button and our LED is glowing. Voila! See, oh, it is quite a simple thing. We are pressing our button and the LED is glowing. The moment we're releasing it, it's in off state. Okay, so in our next videos we'll see there will be a debouncing state. There is a bouncing state in the button, and we'll try to debounce it. We'll check out that one in our next video. Thanks for watching this, guys. If you like this video, please share it, and you can like this video, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you very much.